Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is March 2nd, 2014. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is still in uptrend, but distribution days has shown up. That means the institution has started selling stocks. A few distribution days will not change the market's trend. However, if there are too many distribution days pile up, it can wreck the market. Some leading stocks holding up well, but some being sold heavily. My plan, I use a stop order to protect my positions, and I honor my stop. Means if the stock I'm holding, if they come down and break the support level, I will get stop out automatically. Let's take a look at the US stock market index. Actually, let's take a look at the whole index. First is the German DAX index, still in the uptrend. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index, this is a downtrend. The rebound is short-lived. NASDAQ, uptrend, but this is a big distribution day on Friday. As you can see, the volume is very high while the stock came down. By definition, that's a distribution day. Institutional selling. Mid cap uptrend. Small cap uptrend. SP 500 index. This is in the uptrend. SP 500 did not have a distribution day on Friday as NASDAQ, so NASDAQ is the one get hit the most. Gold pulled back a little bit, but still it's in the uptrend now. Silver pulled back to 200-day moving average as well. Gold mining stock pulled back. So gold and gold stocks are pulling back last week, just very slightly. Dollar pulled back too. Dollar is in the downtrend. Crude oil kind of flat last week, and it's in the uptrend. U.S. real estate index. This has broken out previous high. So IYR is in the uptrend right now. Real estate stocks are doing very well right now. They just break out from the previous resistance. This is the bond fund. Bond price is going up, and that means mortgage interest rate is going down. Semiconductor index uptrend. Social network index uptrend, but Friday had a down day. Solar stock index ETF uptrend. Energy ETF uptrend. Financial ETF uptrend. This is a very good looking chart here. It seems like it stands above 50-day moving average. If financial sector can hold up, that is very bullish for the market, even though NASDAQ had a distribution day. Let's take a look at two watch lists. One is a previously very strong stocks. Some remain strong as well, but some of the stocks that's previously strong, they have broken down. Second list are the strong stocks that are in the buy range. Let's take a look. Activist, a strong stock, and it pulled back a little bit, but this stock is this is a very nice uptrend. Alexion Pharmaceutical break down 10-day moving average. This is not a good sign because the whole uptrend from the gap up here, it never break 10-day moving average. This is the first time it did so with a high volume. Short-term pullback still. Iris Group came down, and it's close to the breakout point here now. Biogen also came down a little bit, very small come down. EQT, Equitable Resource, uptrend. Facebook is also the first time close below 10-day moving average after it gap up from here. Green Mountain Coffee came down as well, pulled back last week. Google still in the uptrend, still above 10-day moving average. Illumina first time close a 10-day moving average. This is significant. This is a volume is pretty high as well, so this need to be very cautious. Michael Kors close below 10-day moving average. Short-term pullback, and the breakout is right here. And Michael Kors is forming, looks like it's formed a 3-week tie pattern right here in this area. Netflix uptrend. Palo Alto Networks pullback. This is a one-day reversal, gap up, and it cannot hold. It just came down and filled this gap. This is not, it just stock ran up too quick. It's gonna due to a pullback. Crystal Pharmaceuticals, this is a troublesome sign. The stock came down pretty hard and the volume is very high and continuously come down 3 days and break 50-day moving average, close below 50-day moving average. That's a very troublesome sign for this stock. Regeneron Pharmaceutical also closed below 10-day moving average. However, it seems to find support here at 20-day moving average, so that's encouraging. Retail Me Not, very bad sign here, break down really hard with a high volume and a high price, and this is bad, and it should have a stop right here. I mean, if the stock go up that quick, and the stop order should be tied up. So you know, if you hold this stock, it should have already been stopped out on Friday. Spirit Airlines still in the uptrend. Sunchest Energy break down pretty hard right here and rebound, hit the resistance and came down. Look at the down days. Volume is much higher than the up days. That means there's a heavy selling going on. So this is not a stock you should be holding. Toll Brothers still in the uptrend. Tesla in the uptrend. It's gonna pull back a little bit because it's too far away from 10-day moving average, and usually stock will just came down a little bit and hit 10-day moving average. It should rebound if there's no institution selling. Otherwise, it can break pretty hard, then it's a bad sign. For now, Tesla still in the uptrend, and on the down days, volume is lower than the up days, so that's good sign. Under Armour came down, and this is a Under Armour. This is the first buy point. This is a second buy point right here. So right now it came down near the buy point. Valiant Pharmaceutical also pulled back slightly. Wuba.com. This is a Chinese internet stock. This actually break out right here. Let's take a look at the second list, which is stocks in the buy range. Aris and came down and near the breakout buy point, but we should be very cautious if a stock go up for a while, go up pretty big, and then came down to near the buy point. That's usually not a very good sign. We have to see if they can support at this area or not. Chipito Mexican Grow breakout right here on Friday. Its volume is pretty high, so this is a good breakout. Michael Kors is forming a 3-week tie pattern. The buy point would be $101.14 right here. Toll Brothers is still within the buy range. The breakout is right here. Under Armour within the buy range because it came down. The last breakout buy point is right here. What to do in this current market? I will use a stop order for protection. In fact, some of my stocks already touched the stop order and got out, and some of them just continue crashing after I got out. So the stop order is very useful to protect your asset. Just let the stop order take you out of the market if the stock you're holding decided to come down. That's all for this week. See you next week.